Hello everyone, Vacation Missy here with a faux lock crochet style. So I showed this here at the end, but it's the Fox Locs by Freetress. It's the curly Fox Locks in a 1B. So I started off with freshly washed hair and I let it dry overnight and started to cornrow. Here you can see I cornrowed half of my head, just going straight back with smaller cornrows in the front, larger cornrows in the back. Here I am cornrowing the other side. So as you can see, I'm doing about 10 small cornrows across the front, just cornrowing those straight back and then connecting those, as you'll see as we get further along, connecting those in the back to make bigger braids, just so I had a little more hair in the front with the smaller cornrows and larger cornrows in the back. So here I'm just parting and doing those cornrows in the front. I have all those cornrows now in the front and I'm connecting them, making larger cornrows in the back. So just putting my hair bow around it, combing through, since my hair was in a curly wet set style, and then just cornrowing those smaller ones together to make one large cornrow going all the way in the back. I did do one cornrow across the back so that if I'd like to do an updo I can. So here you can see how the cornrows on the other side look, just large cornrows straight back. This part won't show at all, so it doesn't matter as much about the pattern in the back. Here I am connecting another set of those cornrows in the front to just make a larger cornrow in the back. So I connected those two. I'm making one big cornrow in the back. Just braiding all the way to the end. I'll be tucking those later. Here's the last cornrow, just looking at my twist out, how those curls were popping from the bentonite clay, but I'll do another video on that. But that twist out really had my curls popping. Cornrowed them all. I have that cornrow across the back and the rest are straight back. So now I'm going to go ahead and crochet those under the other cornrows so there's nothing hanging when I get ready to attach the Fox Locks. So what I do is I put the crochet needle under one of the cornrows and just pull the end of the cornrow through. As you can see here, under, and I pull it through. Now, I pull the crochet needle through the loop, I put it back through fully, and then I pull the ends. These loops are smaller and it's harder to pull it through with your fingers, so you just use the crochet needle to pull them back through. I'll show you another one. Take the needle, put it in your cornrow first, attach that crochet, close the loop, don't bring it too far through, put that crochet needle back through, and then pull the end through the loop. Being careful not to mess up those curls, as I did with this one in the front. I pulled it too much through and it kind of took the curl out of that one in the front of my head. So just be careful not to pull it all the way through, just let it go under the cornrow a little bit, put the needle back through, and then pull the end through to continue crocheting. So you do this on your whole head, making sure that you're covering each cornrow.